Hello, welcome to European Open Briefing for Tuesday, March the 12th. I'm Rafi Bayajan, currency analyst at xm.com, and we're going to be having a look at what's happening in the currency markets today. The British pound is extending its gains following the rally yesterday after Theresa May secured legally binding changes to her Brexit deal regarding the Irish backstop. The pound has somewhat eased back a little bit. It's down by around 0.3% at the moment at 1.3185. It had earlier crossed above the 1.32 level. The euro is also up, benefiting partly from the Brexit headlines as well as from risk-on sentiment. So the focus will later be on that vote in the British Parliament, and overall the market sentiment is positive. We also have improved risk appetite on the back of more stimulus pledges by China. We can see strong gains in equities across Asia and Europe, and we also had a strong close on Wall Street overnight. So looking at now more closely at sterling. So Theresa May, although has reportedly secured the legally binding assurances from the EU that the Irish backstop would not be permanent if activated, there are doubts about how legally binding these changes are. So it's going to be very important what the UK Attorney General's legal advice is going to be. He's going to publish his advice before the vote in Parliament that's due to take place around 19 hours GMT. So if the Attorney General does confirm that the changes are in fact legally binding, we could potentially see May's deal getting through Parliament. If not, though, we could see sterling fall back sharply, and we're going to have more votes in Parliament in the coming days if that happens. But overall market sentiment is positive, as I said. So there's more talks of more progress in the US-China trade talks. The discussions are ongoing, and also over the weekend, China's central bank promised to ease monetary policy further in China, so that's helping risk appetite. The main focus before the British parliamentary vote will be US inflation numbers. Those are due at 12:30 GMT. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.